This rather dull-looking plant is called Stevia, and it's supposed to be 2,000 times as sweet as sugar, so theoretically, you should be able to use it to cook all sorts of lovely, sweet, sugar-free treats. Except, you can't just use a leaf of this instead of this. Sugar adds texture to cakes as well as sweetness, and helps jams set, and it helps preserve cordials and jams too. So how do you use this stuff? You just make it into tea. Take your stevia leaves and cover them with boiling water. Leave it for a few hours before you take a sip. So, now you've got a liquid which is, well, probably not 2,000 times as sweet as sugar. Not if it's grown in my garden anyway, but it's pretty sweet. Now you can use the tea to make a really great cordial. But you can even make a sugar-free jam too, as long as you remember to set it with gelatin. To make the sugar-free cordial, you mix 1 cup of concentrated stevia tea, half a cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of citric acid, and 1 teaspoon of tartaric acid. Now taste it. You may need to adjust the recipe. Add more stevia tea if it's not sweet enough, or more lemon juice if it's too sweet. When you want a drink, just add water, like ordinary cordial. Stevia plants vary in sweetness depending on where they're grown, so remember, if you want a really sweet stevia plant, keep it in full sunlight. Remember, it's frost sensitive too. I always keep mine on a nice sunny windowsill in winter. Chewing a fresh leaf of stevia is supposed to satisfy your sugar cravings when you're on a diet, but look, to be perfectly honest, there is nothing like the real thing.